Verbal instructions. Under GMP rules, verbal instructions are not allowed for a number of reasons. If you are only told what to do, you may forget the instructions. Even if you don't forget the instructions, you may mix up the order in which they must be carried out. Verbal instructions can often change as they pass from employee to employee and become vague and confusing. If there are no written instructions, a regulatory inspector has no way of checking how a process is carried out. Past experience has shown that without a documented system of written instructions, finished dose companies will make poor products and put consumers at risk. SOP rules. Finally, let's look at some of the rules that must be followed when using SOPs. When using SOPs, you must only use an approved original copy of the SOP. Never make unauthorized changes. This ensures that only the correct version of the SOP is being used for the task. Ensure that you are using the most up-to-date version. Follow all of the instructions exactly. Remember that if you take a shortcut or attempt to make unapproved changes to an SOP, you run a high risk of making poor quality, ineffective, or even unsafe products. By following the correct approved versions of SOPs at all times, you will help ensure that both you and your company are always GMP compliant.